Hey guys, it's me, AG Dolls for Life, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a glitter glove out of glitter and a glitter tube. So, I already made two, so I'm going to show you how they work. So here's one I made. Doesn't have much glitter in it. Whoa, sorry about that, but you can just shake it up. See it twirling around. Yeah, I also made this one. It's really glittery, so look at it. It looks really pretty. I came up with it. So I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make one of those. So I'm just going to be making one with just some green glitter, because I ran out of my other colors of glitter. And maybe just a little bit of blue because there's still a little bit of blue in there. So what I do is open up the glitter cap. I open it up. If I can. Okay, there. And I open up the green cap. Okay. And I go like this. Like here. I just put them on top of each other and try to put the green glitter into the blue glitter. So that's how much went in there, just for now. You're gonna put some more. Just gonna go like this. Okay. Should be enough glitter. So I just shut the green. And I put that much glitter in. So then I usually just go to the bathroom and I turn on the sink and put some water in it. So let's start. And there might be some extra on top, but that is totally fine. You can just dump it back off. I usually fill it up that much. So then I go back into my room from the bathroom and you close the cap. So we're just gonna close that. Close it up really good. And so you can see it's filled with water and I can shake it up. And it's basically a little miniature glitter globe. I really like watching it go down because it's really pretty. It's super fun to make and it's really easy. So I really suggest making this. It is super duper fun and easy. So, that's basically all you need. You can come up with your own. You can put, I don't know, whatever you want in yours. I just put glitter in mine. But you guys can put whatever you want. Doesn't matter by me. You can put sands, whatever. I don't really care what you put in there because it doesn't matter, really. But, yeah. This is my glitter globe. It's really pretty. And there may be a really big clump of glitter at the top. But that's just usually what happens. It can even, there's a little chunk, but I think it's still pretty. You can go like this, or just shake it like I do. And it turns really pretty. So I'm going to show you all the ones I made. I've made 3 so far. I might make more, but these are the ones I made. So yeah, bye guys. Bye.